Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn and the DUMOS. Both machines promise quick ice production and self-cleaning features. But which one is truly the best for your home or outdoor gatherings? Let's dive in and find out. Let's start with pricing. The Silonn ice maker is priced at $109, while the DUMOS ice maker comes in at a much more affordable $69. This significant price difference makes the DUMOS a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable ice maker without sacrificing performance. Next, we compare water tank capacities. The Silonn features a larger 2.0-liter water tank, allowing for fewer refills during use. In contrast, the DUMOS has a smaller 1.5-liter tank, which may require more frequent refills, especially during larger gatherings. This could be a crucial factor for those who prioritize convenience. Finally, let's discuss portability. The DUMOS ice maker is designed with a convenient carry handle, making it ideal for RVs and camping trips. On the other hand, the Silonn, while stylish and robust, lacks this feature, making it more suited for stationary use in your kitchen or home bar. In conclusion, both the Silonn and DUMOS ice makers offer excellent features for quick ice production and self-cleaning capabilities. Your choice will depend on your budget and specific needs. If you want a more affordable, portable option, the DUMOS is a fantastic choice. However, if you prefer a larger water tank and a more premium feel, the Silonn may be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.